Located within a 5-minute walk from the Excel London Exhibition Centre in London, Royal Docks Penthouse offers accommodations with seating area and a kitchen. Free Wi-Fi is featured. All units are fitted with a dishwasher, oven, a coffee machine, a microwave and kettle. A terrace with lake views is offered in every unit. Greenwich Park is 2.4 miles from the apartment. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 1.2 miles from Royal Docks Penthouse. Newham is a great choice for travellers interested in entertainment, tourist attractions and monuments. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.